This video uses the A3M board equipped with the A3M to introduce how to create Blinky sample project using RZA flexible software package. This is the development environment. Please check and prepare the environment in advance. This is the system configuration. In the case of A3M, the onboard debug function is supported. You can debug by connecting debug1 connector, J10, on A3M board to PC. When using onboard debug function, J9 must be set as follows. Please set the switch 4 and switch 5 as this. Next, create a new Blinky project using eSquare Studio. Launch eSquare Studio and specify the appropriate folder for workspace. Then click the Launch button. Click File and select New, Renesas C++ project, and then select Renesas RZ. Select Renesas RZA C++ project and click Next. Specify the project name and click Next button. Specify A3M NOR boot as the target board, select the toolchain, then click Next. Select No Routers for the router selection, then click Next button. Select Bare Metal Blinky and click Finish. Once the project has been created, the name of the project will show up in the Project Explorer window. The main function is located in RZA Gen folder. It is one of the files generated during the project creation phase. The Blinky application is stored in the HAL entry file. This file is generated by eSquare Studio when the Blinky project creation. To build the Blinky project, select the project in Project Explorer and click Build button. When the build is complete, a message appears in the Build console window showing the image file name and the size of the section within that image. Now, you've got the executable file of Blinky project. To run the Blinky program on the board, select Run and click Debug Configurations. Select Renesas GDB Hardware Debugging and click Blinky Debug_flat. Click Startup tab. Change the setting in Load Type field from Image and Symbols to Symbols only. Click on Add to launch Add Download Module window. Then click Workspace, choose RZA3M_EC_NOR_IPL.SREC and click on OK. Click on Add to launch Add Download Module window. Then click Workspace, choose Blinky.SREC and click on OK. Enter the command Set Breakpoint Enable Memory 0 in Initialization Commands and click Apply button. Select Debugger tab and then click Connection Settings. Change Reset after download to Yes. Click Apply and then click Debug. Click Run button and then, program counter should be stopped at main function once. Click Run button again and then LED on board starts blink. Next, we will modify the configuration of the created project to control the LED blinking time. Open the HAL data file under RZA-Gen folder. The default LED blinking period of the created project is 0.125 seconds. We can change the blinking period by changing the configuration. This time the blinking period is changed to 1 second. Select the Stacks tab. Then click G Timer 0. Choose Properties and change the period from 8 to 1. Change the period unit from hertz to seconds. Save and click Generate Project Content. Open the HAL data file under RZA-Gen folder. Now the LED blinking time is set up 1 second each time. Rebuild the modified file and download it to the board. Run the project again and you can find the blinky period has been changed on board. Several RZA FSP examples running on EK RZA3M are now available. Please access GitHub where the example is available and check it out.